Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Dall-E to create engaging email and newsletter images quickly. Make sure you share this video with your good friends and your entrepreneur buddies. Now, I'm going to jump over. Make sure you check out all the other videos in the playlist. ChatGPT is going to be discussed in this how-to as well, so make sure you get up to speed on all the examples. So let me jump over to OpenAI's #1 product, and we're talking about how to get images for emails. So let's say, can you provide examples of how images can be used in email marketing? Okay, let's just start the conversation. I always recommend starting with a robot in order to get another robot to do what you want it to do. So here are some examples of the types of images that you can use: product image, infographics, logos and branding, custom graphics, personalized images, and those are okay. I can say, can you provide any other examples? So it's giving me all types of examples, and I'm going to drill down, and we're going to get an image out of Dall-E. All right. So let's see, email marketing images, product image. All right. Let's dig into the product image. It's still writing me more examples. It's giving me social media images, hero images, images that are typically placed at the top of an email. They can be used to set the tone for the email and draw the reader in. That's interesting. Okay. Can you write a prompt to create a hero image for Can you create a prompt for Dall-E to create a hero image for email marketing featuring the ingredients? Hold on. Can you write a prompt for Dall-E to create a hero image for email marketing featuring ingredients of our product of our food truck product, garlic cheese fries? Can you handle that? The robot is working. Here's a prompt for Dall-E to create a hero image for email marketing featuring ingredients of a food truck product called garlic cheese fries. All right. Now, if you were having this conversation with your virtual assistant, you would have been going back and forth with them to just understand what you're talking about. The robot gets it on the first time you tell it and gives you what you want, which is the prompt. I'm going to take this text, jump over to Dall-E, and tell Dall-E to get generating the image. While it's generating, let's read the prompt. It says, create an image of garlic cheese fries that showcases the ingredients, including golden brown fries topped with melty cheese and freshly minced garlic. The image should be visually appealing and invoke a sense of indulgence and temptation. The hero image should be suitable for use in an email marketing for a food truck. All right. Let's see what we got over here. Boom. We got some nice looking cheese fries. Now this is similar to what I got in the earlier video. So let me change the prompt and tell it to just focus on the garlic. Can you update the prompt to just focus on the ingredient garlic? Can you update the prompt to just focus on the ingredient garlic? Let's see if we can do that, right? We're going to change it up a little bit. And I want to show you how you can change it up. So it says, certainly, here's an updated prompt to create a hero image featuring the ingredient garlic. So let me grab this text, scroll down. Okay, and then now let me give this to Dall-E. Now, one thing I have to tell you, the Dall-E robot is not free. The Dall-E robot, you only get so many free, and then you gotta buy credits. I spent about $30 buying credits, and I got like over 100 or something credits. So ChatGPT is free at the time I'm making this video, but Dall-E is not. I would assume ChatGPT will no longer be free after a while also. So here are the images it gave me. Now, these are all images that I can use. I don't have to worry about copywriting. I don't have to worry about sourcing. I don't have to worry. I can use these images. And if I wanted to use any one of these or all of these in my emails, just talking about the freshness of the garlic that's in our fries, I can easily do that. And this is going to make that process more profitable because it's saving me time. All right. So that's the email example, right? So let me go back to ChatGPT. I always start the conversation. I say, can you provide examples of how images can be used in a newsletter? Okay, now I'm talking about a newsletter. Now, we know the difference between a newsletter and an email is not a big difference, right? So let's see what it says. Feature images. Featured images are large, eye-catching images. Illustrations. Now that's something. Let's try an illustration. Let's ask it for an illustration. Can you write a prompt for Dall-E to create an illustration? Let's call it a color pencil drawn image of cheese and garlic. All right. So we're going to create a custom image to be used in our newsletter. All right. Can you create a prompt for Dall-E to create an illustration? A color pencil drawn image of cheese and garlic. Can you create a prompt for Dall-E to create an illustration? Can you do that? Oh, am I working you too hard? I might be working the robot too hard right now. Okay. You got to give it a second to calm down. While we give it a second to calm down, let's refresh the page. And we're going to refresh right now. ChatGPT is being used by the earth. And I'm going to say, can you write a prompt for Dall-E to create an illustration of a color pencil drawn image of cheese and garlic? Can you handle that? Okay. So it's working on this. Create an image of cheese and garlic depicted with color pencils. You may have not known that you can request that, but you can. All right, so let me copy that text and let me jump over to Dall-E and tell it, okay, here's the new request. All right, now it didn't take all of that text, so I'll just end the last sentence. And then I'm going to tell it to start working while we read what it gave us. It says, create an image of cheese and garlic depicted with color pencils. The cheese should be a soft, creamy yellow, and the garlic should be white with purple flecks. The image should show both the cheese and garlic together, with the cheese partially covering the garlic. The background should be simple and neutral, possibly a lighter beige or gray. Now notice all of these I can change. All of these, the color of the background, all of these things I can change, and that's the point of this training, just to show you what you can do. So let's see what the results are. Here's what we got. Now this, we asked it to give us images as it was drawn with a color pencil. Come on, man. We've never had anything close to this ever. And just thinking about what we could do creating this way really just takes things on a whole nother level. So this is 4 different ideas using colored pencil. I could have chosen another art format, not, maybe I could have said watercolor. I said color pencil. But you can mess around with this. You can look at all of the other examples that Dall-E gives you and get creative. Make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with artificial intelligence. Subscribe today and get the 12 businesses to start with AI today and the 31 AI apps to use in your business now. You'll also get my contact email. I know you have questions, and I am available via email to help you. Subscribe at howwhy.ai right now. I see you on the inside. Until the next time, I'm Darnell Jackson. Peace.